welcome to another episode of Tips and Tricks with me, Chef Simon Mckenzie. And today we're going to make a spicy tomato salsa. So we've got some lovely fine tomatoes here, fresh lime, half a red onion, a couple of bird's eye chilies, a couple of spring onions, some fresh coriander, some sweet chili dipping sauce, some really good olive oil, and a very good 8-year-old aged balsamic vinegar. So we're going to start by taking our tomatoes and cutting them into quarters. Next stage is to take the seeds out. So once the seeds are out, I'm going to cut it into strips about ½ centimetre long, turn it around and then back through the other way, and so we've got a ½ centimetre dice of tomato. And we're going to do that for all of the petals. So straight through, twist, dice it through, so it's kind of really fine dice like that. Okay, so once you've got all your tomatoes diced, what you want to do is pop them into a mixing bowl and pop it to one side. Next, we're going to take our spring onions, just snip the ends off, and then hold them on an angle. Just going to go through and slice them about 2 millimeters thick. So once your spring onions are sliced, again into your bowl with your diced tomatoes. Next, we're going to take our red onion, snip the end out and get rid of that, we don't need it. And we're going to do a fine dice, so wipe it away from us, knife, and not quite all the way through. Okay, then take your chopping knife and we're going to go horizontal, 1 almost to the end and 2 just underneath. Then remember our rocking motion, hold the onion each side and straight through, so you get a really nice fine dice. Almost the back, let the onion fall over through the other side and stop. Okay, so then our red onion into our bowl with all the other ingredients, and next we're going to move on to the coriander. Coriander, hold it by the stalks, wrap it up into a ball against the side of the knife and straight through, about 2 millimeter gap, so not too fine with that, not too worried about picking the stalks off, and again that can just go in the bowl with all the other ingredients. Okay, next what we need is our lime. Take our lime, here's a little trick for you, on your board and just roll it really hard on the flat of your hand. And what you do is you kind of squeeze the insides out, and so it's easy to get the juice out. Then in half, and we're going to squeeze both halves into our bowl. Next, in with our sweet chili sauce. So that's a good 2 tablespoons in there. Teaspoon of the aged balsamic, and a good 2 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil. And we're just going to mix that together. Okay, next we're going to take our chilies and using the chopping knife, really fine, all the way through and into the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Our spicy tomato salsa.